Hi all. So today's video is special because my WhatsApp group already hacked. You already know, right? My 4 WhatsApp group I already hacked. So but that time I was feel very unhappy. But I think like that I want to give something for my connections and my learners into the group, because I want only the serious learner who are agree to accept their mindset and want to learn. If you get a push, they want to become, or they can achieve anything in this world. So that kind of community I want, because that kind of people surrounded me. I'm also getting energy to create these kind of videos and learn fastly anything before that. Because I will tell you the honest truth, before I started my YouTube and my LinkedIn writing, I was something like an extraordinary person, because I don't have, because I entered my login at 9 o'clock in the 9 o'clock or 8:30 in the office, then did my work and come back to the, because I was going to a regular days, right? But when I started creating these videos and writing in the LinkedIn, I'm get more inspiration, because people are pinging me, they're identify me, they want more information from me. So that was the inspiration. I was creating these videos and contents in the LinkedIn, because I think I was consistently creating 160 days, 65 days or something in the LinkedIn, 160 to 63 days in continuously in LinkedIn post writing due to this inspiration. So I think this inspiration kind of people around us, it will help you a lot for a long run to achieve our dreams and goals. So I think I can create one more group to consistency group. So previously I was created one Python, SQL and Azure group. So the meantime I was uploading the videos in the YouTube. Meantime I'm making one challenge for you, 1 month challenge. The previously I was created, I think 100 people was there, and nowadays we can get upgrade, the time to upgrade due to the recession. We want to a fast moving track to achieve our dreams and goal big, right? So that is the reason I just want to only, if I get only one person who are serious in my group, that enough to me. If you are more people around me, it will help me inspire, because and you also grow the same time. So if you like to add into the consistency group, ping me separately, okay? Then there is a small kind of payment, actually 99 rupee. So that is, I think, small, right? If you are making some food, so that will be more than 200, right? It is a 99 rupees for only serious learners. So due to this, due to paying charges, I think only serious learners will enter into the group, not newsness or any kind of people will not there, because they want to pay at least 99 rupees for destroying a group, right? So that is the reason. And one more thing, I'm sharing one Excel sheet and you want to make your goals there and art, I will track every day, and weekly we need a connect to how to progress in our day-to-day activities and consistency. The consistency building is the key. So that is the one thing I just want to know you. So if you are really interested, so you can ping me separately in the WhatsApp, and I will share the details. Okay, bye guys.